What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall learn the Southpaw double unders. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. This tutorial will be in slow motion, but I'd like us to learn a few things before we actually get onto the move. So let me show you how it looks, then we'll get started. Now the first thing you need to do to nail this trick is to get a good jump rope. Now when trying to get a good jump rope, the thing you should watch out for is the rotatory mechanism of this jump rope. Now try to target jump rope that don't have that loose rotatory mechanism so that when you cross your hand to unwhip, it doesn't get tangles. Because once you get tangles and it kind of opens, it trips on you and you get stuck and the whole trick gets terminated. So if you're looking at where to get good jump rope, you can check elevaterope.com. By using LOfitnez 10 on that website, you get 10% off all your purchases from that website. So guys, do check that website out. So after getting a good jump rope, the next thing to watch out for is to actually learn the basic Southpaw move. I've made a great tutorial on that and I'll link it up here and also in the description for you to go check it out. Now after learning the Southpaw move, you should also learn the basic double unders to make this whole procedure a lot easier. So I've made a great tutorial on that, which has a link up here for you to go check out, also in the description. So the next thing to do after learning the double unders is to actually learn the timing for this move. Now this move involves two things, like crossing and uncrossing while you jump. So for beginners, I do advise you jump high because you're learning so that you can actually cross and uncross your hand before you land. So the timing of this move is very simple. And how do you do it? You do it by crossing while you're taking off from the ground, like jumping. Then you uncross before you land. So it will be something like this. Don't worry, a great slow motion will come after this move. So if you put all these few things to practice, then we can actually move to the slow motion version of this move, where you see all these things I've explained now in action. So let's get on to the slow motion, guys. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section where you shall be incorporating this move to your combos. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, share it with your friends who are still learning this jump rope trick, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. So until next time guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself guys. Peace.